Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. So simbonile uVilakazi bafethu bamfaka second half. Obviously this season kumele kube season enkulu for yena la highly influential for iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo uthole golden opportunity bafethu zange ashaya ibhola kahle yabo. So I think for me uVilakazi kumele abe yikhila ngempela lapha in front of goal methola ichance kumele akwazi ngempela ukulivalela phakathi, at least ashaye convincingly ugoalkeeper sibone ukuthi useyivile ngempela, because ama opportunities anje yiwo azodefine isizini yakhe ukuthi bazomthemba noma ngeke bamthembe. Imagine if iKaizer Chiefs boku-0-0 and then uVilakazi uthola ichance engaka, but kumele awathathe ngempela ama-opportunities anje bafethu, awazi every day, and naye njengoba ngisho ukuthi ukuze bamthembe kumele amake sure ukuthi uyakora golden opportunity. He's a good player, I like i-movement yakhe. Once mengena uVilakazi uyabona ukuthi i-complexion of the game iyachange, because u-forward driven njalo mebamba ibhola ucabanga phambili umfana, ucabanga nje uku-attack isikhathi esiningi, hhayi lezi zinto lezi zokuthi ubuyisela ibhola emuva isikhathi esiningi, no. Ama-movements wakhe a-good ngempela. It could be very important for iKaizer Chiefs, but kumele abe clinical, abe ruthless. Once he get that one opportunity akwazi ukushaya phakathi and then bamthembe overall yabo. So kumele azothola ama-golden opportunities anje bafethu angakwazi ukuwakora, and then iKaizer Chiefs izobhekana ne-problem yokuthi again ukuthi abekho clinically. That is why badinga abantu abasolid ukuthi in terms of like ukushaya amagoli laphana phambili yabo. He's a good player, he's a good young player, he's still learning obviously, but what a chance leya bafethu, what a chance. Yazi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs beyi-leader, abantu abaningi bayikhohliwe leya chance leya, but what a golden opportunity. Bekumele ngempela alivalele phakathi umfana, but yeah, so far so good. iKaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukuwina 3 games in a row, nanokuthi bayakwazi ukuba introduce aboVilakazi lapha ne-fan favorite. Mengena uyabona na ukuthi abantu bajabula kakhulu because they love iKaizer Chiefs. They love this boy because he represents i-culture yeKaizer Chiefs, ne-identity, une-flair, une-skill, una-everything. I think ubakhumbuza uVilakazi ukhumbuza ama-fans like the retro Kaizer Chiefs style, ukuthi uma ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ube ne-flair bafethu, kumele ube mnandi yabo. And ulokhu njani uVilakazi, he offers that to iKaizer Chiefs. Akawashaya ama-chance bafethu, makawathola angadlali, akudlalwa ku-late. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.